guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make mint center filled chocolate at your home. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes every Sunday, and now let's get started. So for this recipe you require 2 teaspoons of condensed milk, 4 teaspoons of liquid glucose, few drops of oil-based mint flavor, half cup of dark compound chocolate, chopped into pieces and melted in a double boiler, which means keep a bowl containing hot water below the bowl containing chocolate. Then you require some chocolate molds which are available in various shapes in the market. Mix together the condensed milk, glucose and mint flavor. Fill about 1/4 of the mold with melted chocolate. At this point of time, you just have to swirl a chocolate mold using your hands and make sure the chocolate touches every corner of your mold. Scrape the excess chocolate and refrigerate it for about 10 minutes. Then fill about 3/4 of the mold with the mint mixture. Then fill the remaining mold with melted chocolate. Now, refrigerate your chocolate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is out of the refrigerator, demold it. So much for watching my video. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be, or you can even send me the pictures of your chocolates on Instagram. I would love to see it. The link of my Instagram account is given below in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video.